I'm Kevin, and tonight we're going to do some honey garlic chicken breasts on the Pit Boss 1100. So first thing I'm going to do is get some olive oil and salt, pepper, garlic, my SPG garlic pepper onto this chicken. We'll put it on the 1100 for 1 hour at 225, and then we will take it off and add some honey and garlic and butter and a lot of goodness to it. We'll cover it up, put it back in the smoker for 30 minutes, and then we'll take it out and we'll watch it from there. Should be another 30 from there, but anyway, we're gonna get going right here. And first thing we're gonna do is, I'm gonna keep it simple. Just gonna spray some olive oil on there. That's just to help hold the garlic pepper or SPG on the chicken. Like that. Turn it over and do the same thing. Okay, now we'll just throw it on the pellet smoker. We're running at 225. We're going to put our chicken breast right in the smoker. Let's see if I got that in there. Just put them in like this. Putting the thicker part towards the center of the pot. We're going to let these go for 1 hour at 225 so they get a lot of nice smoke. And I am using just the competition blend today. We will see you in an hour. Okay, I am also going to toss in the smoker right now. I got about a cup and a half, 12 ounces of sweet corn, frozen sweet corn. It is thawed. 3 tablespoons of cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of butter with some salt, pepper, garlic. I'm going to get that in here right now too. So it can go right around. It's one of the sides. We're going to do some easy mashed potatoes too, but it's going to go right there. Catch some smoke. There's our chicken. We'll be back. Okay, we are 1 hour in. Look at that. So we're going to get our chicken off. Put it in the pan right here down below. Down there for you. There's this lid. Okay. Now I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just on the bottom there. Maybe about 2 tablespoons. I'm going to add butter to the tops of these. Get plenty of butter. It's a half a cup. It's a whole quarter stick or a whole stick. Okay. Just like that. Okay, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And then take some honey. We're going to squirt the honey over the top. We don't want to be too shy with the honey. Get them coated nice. Just like that. And then the garlic. I've got about Oh, there's probably 5 cloves here. And I am just spreading it all over because we want it nice and garlicky. Just like that. Get it all in there. All right. And yep, smell that garlic. Now I'm going to cover this up with some foil. And get this back on here for 30 minutes. Alright. We will see you in 30. Looks like our corn's doing really good. We'll be back in 30 minutes. Down here. Set back up. Balance it out. Let's see how they're doing. Oh, yeah. $45. $48. Okay. We're going to get these back on the grill. Garlic on there. Like that. Actually, I'm going to move these over for a second. Oh, can't see that. Okay, I'm going to move these over for a second. And I am going to open up that flame plate. Set this over it. See if we can't get that to caramelize a little bit. Let that roll for minutes. I did have the lid closed. There we go. Look at that. It's bubbling up now. I'm trying to get this to thicken a bit. Do it on the stove, but hey, you can do it right here on the pellet smoker. Bubbling pretty good there, isn't it? I think we're about 5 minutes of letting it do this. Just going to keep letting it reduce down. We'll put a little bit on this chicken. Okay, this has been going for about 12, 13 minutes. Look at that. Now for the last probably about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm going to put this chicken back in here, get it nice and coated. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Corn over. Move this over here for about the last 10 to 15 minutes. I gotta tell you, it is looking good. Yeah. Cannot wait. All right, let's get those chicken breasts up to temp. We'll be back. These are up to temp. get them off of here. Take a taste test. Okay, we've got this on our plate, and I am just going to drizzle some of this honey and garlic sauce right over the top of this. Then we'll let it rest for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to give it a taste test. It's sitting a few minutes, 3 or 4 minutes. Let's go ahead and cut into it. That looks amazing. Smells amazing. Look at that. Look at that. Oh man. Man, I've been waiting for this all day. Taste that. Get it in that honey and garlic sauce. Oh, look at that. There you go. That's amazing. Okay. Hey, thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe. Ring that bell. We're gonna make more. So good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video. I'm gonna go eat the rest of this.